At sunrise, the journey begins, where coconuts are born.
Each coconut is carefully harvested at peak maturity. Selection begins immediately, ensuring only the best move forward. Even in the field, precision defines the process. Harvested coconuts are prepared for their first journey. From grove to road, the flow never stops.
Harvests combine into a unified supply stream.
Heavy lifting begins as scale increases. Final checks ensure only quality continues forward. With harvest complete, the coconuts begin their journey to transformation. The raw harvest now travels toward industrial transformation.
Supply moves in coordinated flow to meet factory demand.
The destination draws closer with every turn. A controlled environment awaits beyond the gates.
Every shipment is verified before entering production.
Inside the facility, scale and precision take over.
Logistics guide every movement with exact control.
Keep coming back, slow down, and hold it right there. Stop.
Precision alignment prepares for unloading.
Stability ensures efficiency at every stage.
The raw material arrives, ready for its transformation. A controlled ecosystem where raw harvest meets precision.
Consistency begins with the people who power the process. Preparation ensures every step meets strict standards. Clean entry protects the integrity of production.
Inside, motion defines every moment. The raw input merges into the production stream. Flow begins as the process takes control. Light and environment remain constant across every stage.
Human oversight guides automated precision.
The first transformation begins with purification. Cleaning begins with force and motion. Every surface is stripped of impurities. Washed shells move forward under controlled flow. A final rinse ensures complete cleanliness.
Moisture is carefully controlled before the next stage.
Airflow prepares them for precision processing. Uniform dryness ensures consistency ahead. Precision sorting organizes the workflow.
Human judgment refines automated selection. Preparation ends as transformation begins. Precision alignment sets the stage for extraction. The shell opens with calculated force.
The interior is revealed for extraction.
Valuable liquid is separated with precision.
The core ingredient now takes focus.
Extraction isolates the essential material.
Nothing is wasted. Everything is redirected. The raw ingredient advances toward transformation.
Preparation shifts into mechanical processing. Solid form gives way to a refined base.
The base material gathers for transformation.
Movement begins to unify the mixture. Sweetness is introduced with controlled precision. Structure is built into the evolving form.
Heat transforms the mixture into its final character.
Consistency is maintained through constant motion.
The transformed mixture moves toward shaping. Precision defines every portion.
Uniformity prepares them for stabilization. Cooling locks the transformation into form. Structure solidifies under precise environmental control. Automation ensures uniform release without damage.
Speed and precision move in perfect sync. Technology verifies perfection at high speed.
Only the finest continue through the line.
Final shaping enhances visual and structural consistency. A protective finish completes the surface. Air stabilizes the final outer layer.
All lines converge into one final stream.
The product approaches its final stage.
The final form meets its container. Every portion is measured to perfection.
A finishing layer completes the composition. Closure begins with precise alignment. Airtight sealing protects freshness. Every seal is tested for reliability.
Identity is applied with precision.
Traceability is embedded into every unit.
Units combine into ready-to-ship packs.
Packaging prepares for final containment. Each carton is filled with measured precision.
Sealing locks the product for safe handling.
Accuracy is confirmed at every stage. Only compliant products continue forward. Quality is verified beyond the production line. Consistency defines product excellence.
Safety is measured at the microscopic level.
Approval authorizes the next stage.
Certification guarantees trust in every box. The final logistics phase begins. Precision stacking prepares for secure transport. Stability is reinforced through tight containment. Identification ensures traceable distribution.
Products move into organized storage systems.
Order defines the flow within storage.
Every unit is tracked with digital precision.
Distribution begins at the edge of the facility. Products are secured for their final journey.
The shipment is ready to leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut jelly from start to finish.